Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we'll be taking a look at the updated YouTube application. So if you just opened this now, or if you opened this up earlier today, you might have noticed that the trending tab has been replaced with Explore. Now you might be asking yourself, well, where is trending? What does Explore mean? And is it better? So I'm going to explain everything of all the differences and also how this is so much better than before. Now, if you wanted to see the original trending page, then you just click on the trending category on the top underneath Explore. You'll also notice that there's gaming, movies and shows, learning, music, news, and fashion and beauty. So taking a look at what trending would have looked like underneath now, this is what it would look like. So this is where you'd be going to from here on out. You know, you got your large thumbnails, all the videos that's new for the last couple days, anything that's been trending. And then as you scroll on down, you get to those smaller thumbnails that were trending either earlier this week or maybe even last week. But the really nice thing is that if you don't want to see everything that YouTube wants you to see, maybe you're more into music or gaming, you actually have those categories right here. So this will be everything that is trending underneath the music category or the music industry. You also have gaming that is underneath trending. One of the cool things is that you'll be able to see some of the gaming creators on the rise. Now this will change every 4 hours, or this changes every single day, just kind of showing you a new creator or a creator that is now just booming and going up. It's actually really cool. You can check out everything that's trending with the news as well as movies. So now let's go back and let's take a look at some of the other categories here. If you go inside of gaming, this is going to show you really everything. It's actually really cool. It shows you the gaming channel itself. It'll show you top live games. You can scroll through here. You can also hit on see all. You can check out what is recommended. So it's going to show you a few videos here. Again, there's that gamer on the rise. As you keep on scrolling down, you're going to see videos from your subscription. So if you're subscribed, to different gaming channels, you're going to see everything pop up right there. As you keep on scrolling down, you're going to see different things. So here's some of the trending gaming videos. You're going to see a lot of live videos. It's actually pretty cool. So it's a way that you're able to explore inside of the gaming world of YouTube that you might not have seen from before just by going to your home or the trending page. And especially subscriptions. If you're already subscribed to a channel, more than likely you are getting notified and checking those videos out anyways. So underneath movies, this one's really cool. You can check out everything that you can browse, and you can see anything that you have purchased in the past. Underneath browse, you can take a look at what is recommended for you. Here are some shows that's recommended. You also have new releases. Here's all the ones that are free to watch. So if you want to watch some movies, TV shows that is free, you can watch a lot of these here on YouTube, even though there is going to be a few ads. So, it's a really cool category to take a look at. There's a lot of stuff here. You got top selling, stuff like that. Now, if we go to the very top, let's go back one more. Let's do learning. So inside of learning, you're going to see that this is the YouTube Learning channel. I've never really heard of YouTube Learning. They're really kind of, showing themselves off first before you go into more categories like physics, algebra, why pi is so important and things like that. You have playlists, the community, all the other different channels inside of YouTube Learning. Here is your music. So you can take a look at what is new with like the home. Here's like that YouTube music channel. Today's biggest hits of what's released, video hot lists. Let's see what community. So really this is just the music channel of YouTube basically. You also have news. So there's gonna be probably a lot of things with that little virus that's going around. And so you're going to see anything that's live. You have different sections. So if you want to learn only about business, if you want to take a look at just sports, national news, it's all these different channels that you can take a look at. But if you're into news and that's really all you care about, you're really going to love this Explore tab. And you also have fashion and beauty. So here's a fashion and beauty channel here. Looks like there's other, I've never really looked at this page just yet, but it looks like you're going to see just a whole bunch of different things from Fashion Week. Here's different channels to explore, which I think is pretty cool. Hopefully maybe in the future they can do tech channels or a tech category, and then maybe Jimmy's Promo would sit right here. But this is just going to be, the main change with YouTube. If you just noticed the Explore tab, you were wondering what it was. Maybe you never even noticed it until now. But you're going to see categories on the top that makes things really cool. Creator on the right, sitting right here. As of now, the Explore tab is really just the trending tab, but this will change as time goes on. It's just brand new for today, at least. And then your regular homepage, this is really just anything and everything, kind of curated based off of what you watch. So that means that your homepage will be changing quite different or quite a lot as you go through all these different categories on the top. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here in the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.